What if I told you? There are home renovation contractors right now. In your city. In your market. Closing 2x. 3x. Even 5x more jobs than their competitors. Not because they're better builders. Not because they're cheaper. But because they're faster. Faster to respond. Faster to quote. Faster to close. And they're doing it using AI-powered quote automation. No spreadsheets. No late-night estimating. No chasing leads. Just instant, professional quotes. Generated in seconds. While you're still working on an estimate, they've already sent the quote, followed up, and booked the job. So the real question is, are you losing jobs right now? Because you're too slow? Let's break down exactly how this works, and how you can implement it today. Let's get one thing clear, the home renovation industry has changed. And most contractors haven't caught up yet. Today's homeowner behaves differently. Before they even call you, they've already Googled best contractor near me, checked your reviews, compared you with 3 to 5 competitors, looked at your website, decided if you're worth contacting, and when they do reach out, they expect speed. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now. The brutal truth. First response wins the job 60 to 80% of the time. Most contractors take 24 to 72 hours to respond. Leads go cold within hours, so if you're not fast, you're invisible. Let's walk through the typical workflow. Lead comes in, you call them back later, schedule a visit, measure everything, go home, build quote, manually send it days later. Sounds normal, right? But here's what's actually happening. While you're doing that, the customer is getting quotes from faster competitors. And guess who they hire? The one who responded first. Hidden revenue leak. If you get 20 leads per month and only quote 10 of them, you're losing 50% of your opportunities. Now imagine fixing that. This is where the game changes. AI quote automation turns your business into a 24/7 instant response machine. Instead of manually building quotes, you create a system that does it for you. What AI actually does: collects customer inputs, applies your pricing rules, calculates labor plus materials, generates a professional quote, sends it instantly, all within seconds. Think about this. What used to take 2 to 3 hours per quote now takes 10 to 30 seconds. That's not an upgrade. That's a business transformation. Let's build this step by step. Step 1. Customer input. Customer visits your website and fills out project type, kitchen, bath, flooring size, square footage, materials, basic, mid, premium, timeline. Simple. No friction. Step 2. Pricing engine. Behind the scenes, your system uses cost per square foot, labor rates, material tiers, add-ons. This is your data. Your rules. Step 3. AI calculation. AI combines everything. Generates total cost, builds line item breakdown, estimates, timeline. Step 4. Instant delivery. Customer gets clean professional quote, branded PDF or on-screen display. CTA. Book now or get started. Let's talk results. Because this is where things get serious. 1. Speed equals trust, fast response signals professionalism, organization, reliability. Customers think, if they're this fast now, they'll be great to work with. 2. More quotes equals more deals before AI. 5 quotes per week after AI, 25 plus quotes per week. Same business, different system. 3. Consistent pricing. No more underbidding, forgetting costs, guesswork. AI enforces your margins. 4. Scale without hiring. You don't need estimators, admin staff, you need systems. Let's break this down. Before AI, 15 leads per week, 6 quotes sent, 2 jobs closed. After AI, 30 leads per week, 30 quotes sent instantly, 8 to 10 jobs closed. Result: 3x revenue growth potential. Same team, same effort. This isn't just tech. It's human behavior. People hate waiting, prefer convenience, trust speed, respond to clarity. AI delivers instant gratification, clear pricing, easy decisions. That's why it converts. Let's save you time. Mistake 1. Overcomplicating. Start simple. 1 service. Mistake 2. Bad pricing, data garbage in equals garbage out. Mistake 3. No follow-up, most deals close after follow-up. Mistake 4. No CTA, always tell customer what to do next. Here's your stack. Front end, WordPress, Webflow, form builders, automation, Zapier, Make.com, AI layer, Google AI Studio, communication, Twilio, SMS, email automation, payments, Stripe. Now let's level up. 1. AI voice agents let customers call and get quotes instantly. 2. Dynamic pricing, adjust pricing based on demand. 3. Upsell automation, offer premium materials, faster timelines, add-ons. 4. Data analytics track, conversion rates, quote acceptance, revenue per lead. This is just the beginning. In the next 3 to 5 years, AI quoting becomes standard. Slow contractors disappear. Automation dominates. Final thought: AI is not replacing contractors. It's replacing slow systems, manual processes, and efficiency. Call to action if you want to implement this system. Subscribe to Grow with Technology. Visit www.growwithtechnology.com. Follow at Grow with Technology 704. Final line: you can keep quoting manually or start closing deals in seconds. The choice is yours.